Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to use the Import and Export feature in Gridbox. The Import and Export feature allows you to transfer website content, layouts, and data between projects or back up your work. To export a single page in Gridbox, use the Context menu. Right-click the page and select Export. In the modal window, click Save to download the XML file to your computer. To export multiple pages, use the toolbar. Select the pages you want to export, then open More Actions and choose Export. To export a full content app, such as a blog with all categories and articles, use the toolbar. Open More Actions and select Export. This will export the entire content app. To export your entire website with all pages and apps, go to Options and click Export. To import pages or an entire website, go to Options, select Import, and upload the previously exported XML file from your computer. Import time may vary depending on the file size. Please note that media files, like images and videos, are not included in the XML export and must be transferred manually. Now, you're ready to transfer and manage your content with ease. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.